friends, welcome to all of you in our basic Vedic mathematics course, where learning maths becomes fun, fast and fascinating. In our last session, we have seen how to multiply numbers with 9, 99, 999, etc. Thanks to all of you for listening to me patiently in the last sessions. Although I earlier announced that we are going to do multiplication by the method of vertically and crosswise in this session, I thought it's time to get some change and to break the monotony and to do something different related to the mysteries of mathematics. So today I want to demonstrate two amazing truths of mathematics. These truths continue to remain true as many as times you may try. It never changes. And let us try those. Number one, the 1089 magic number, and the number two is the mysterious Kaprekar constant 6174. So let us see these two examples one by one. The 1089 magic number. 1089 magic number. The first one. And the mysterious Kaprekar constant. Kaprekar constant. This is a very famous mathematician, Kaprekar. His constant 6174. These two things we'll see today. Right? So these two examples demonstrate that how mathematical numbers have hidden mysteries of patterns within. Right? So let's begin. Let us start with the very surprising number, the 1089, the magic number. It works with any three-digit number. The first one, 1089 magic number, it starts with any three-digit numbers, any one three-digit number, provided the digits are not all the same. All should not be same, and the first and the last two digits are different from each other, right? So you can see the steps now carefully, one after the other. So the first thing will be to choose any three-digit number. For example, I take 347, and as I told you that all numbers should not be the same, right? And the first number and the third number, the last number, should be different. All numbers should not be same, and the first and the last number should be different. Now let us start the process. Now the first step is to reverse the number. Reverse the number. When you reverse the number, what do you get? 743. Reverse 347. Reverse is 743. Number is 347, and when you reverse it, it becomes 743. Now you have to take the difference of this number and this number. 743 minus 346. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 743 minus 347. 743 minus 347. How much it becomes? It becomes 396, right? So by subtracting the smaller number 347 from its reverse number, which is bigger, we get 396. Now again do the same thing. Reverse this number 396. You get, so next reverse 396, and you get 693. Right? Now reverse this number 396, you get 693. Now add these two numbers. Add 396 with 693. How much do you get? It becomes 693 with 396. I hope you can see it. 693 with 396, it becomes 1089. Can you see it? 1089. So this 1089, you take any number and continue to do the same process every time. Within few steps, you will get the result of 1089, right? I'll again explain this process once again so that you can understand better. So what I am doing is I am taking any number, say 347. Then you reverse it. When you reverse it, you get 743. Now you subtract 347, the smaller number, with this from this 743, and you get the result of 396. 396. Now when you get 396, again you reverse this number, reverse 396, and you get 693. Now add these two numbers, 396 with 693. How much do you get? You get 1089, and that's fascinating. Now I will take many more numbers, and you can take any number of numbers, and you will get the same result after a few steps. It will ultimately result into 1089. Okay. So now let us see the next one. What you can do that? Next one is 1, 2, 3. You reverse it. When you reverse it, you get the number as 321. Now subtract the smaller number from this bigger number, 321 minus 123, and that's equal to how much? 198. Right? What you have done? From the bigger number you have subtracted the smaller number, it becomes 198. Now again reverse it, and you get 891. Now add this 891 with this smaller number 198, and you will get 819 1089. What a coincidence, what a mystery. What I have done, we've taken number 1, 2, 3, reverse it, make it 321. Now subtract from 3 to 1 this 1, 2, 3, and you get 198. Then again you reverse it, you get 891. Now with this 891, add the previous number 198, and you get 1089, and you will always get the same thing. I will take another number for you. It's a mystery. 897. We take a number 897. Reverse it. REV. Reverse it, and you get 798. Now reduce this, subtract the 798 from this bigger number 897. 897 minus 798, and you get how much? 99. Right? You get 99. But don't forget to write the third digit also, it's 099. Now this 099, this number, you reverse it, and you get 990, and you add it, and you get 1089. Amazing. You take any number, reverse it, take a difference of the two, again you reverse it, and if you continue it, you will ultimately get 1089. So nowhere you will stop, you will always get the same number. It's a mysterious thing. Okay, wonderful thing. Why does this happen? When you reverse a 3-digit number and subtract, you always get a number whose digits add up to 9 in the first and the last positions. When you reverse a 3-digit number, I think you have understood it, and subtract it, you always get a number whose digits add up to 9 in the first and the last position. For example, here 897, and you get 798, and here when you subtract it, you get 099. You see, this 0 and this, always if you add this 9 and 0 you get 9. Always you take a number, say for example 3, 2, 1, and then you take its reverse 1, 2, 3. The difference of the two is 198. The first and the last number you add it, it will become 9. So when you reverse it further, it becomes 891. Automatically this plus this will become 9, this also will become 9, and you total it will become 1089. That previous number, which is a mystery, So this was our first magical number, 1089, the number that never fails. Now let us go to the second truth, a discovery by an Indian mathematician. Well, Indian mathematician, Mr. Kaprekar. Kaprekar constant. Kaprekar constant. And the Kaprekar constant is 6174. 6174. So he was an Indian mathematician in 1949. The Indian mathematician D.R. Kaprekar. His name was D.R. Kaprekar. Mr. D.R. Kaprekar, he was an Indian mathematician. In 1949, he discovered the surprising this number pattern of 6174. He found that if you repeatedly perform a simple process discovered by him on any 4-digit number with at least two different digits within, you will always reach one final number 6174. I repeat it. He found that if you repeatedly perform a simple process that you will see here, simple process discovered by him on any 4-digit number with at least two different digits within, you will always reach one final number 6174, and that is what is called as Kaprekar constant. Now let us see how does it work. Well, so we'll do it now. Let us take any 4-digit number. As I told you, you have to make certain operation on any 4-digit number where at least two digits are different. So let us take the number 6345. At least 2-digit numbers, all are different here, so there is no problem. The first step is what? Step 1. Arrange it in descending order. Right? So I am simply writing descending. Arrange it in descending order, and how much do you get? 6, 5, 4, 3. 6 is the biggest digit, then 5, then 4, then 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. This is one. We are arranging it in the descending order. And then let us arrange this in ascending order. How much do you get? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is the smallest, then 4, then 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when you get the descending order number and the ascending order number, subtract these two from each other. Are you getting my point? One number is descending, another is ascending, then you subtract. When you subtract it, you get 3087. When you get 3087, you repeat the same process. Again, step 2, descending number. In this number, the biggest number is 8, then it is 7, then it is 3, and then it is 0. And then you take the ascending number 3078. 3078. Am I right? Sorry, I am wrong. It should be 0 first. 378. 0, the smallest, then 3, then 7, then 8. Now subtract. When you subtract it, how much do you get? You get 8352. Now let us do the same process once again. Step 3, descending. This here you get 8, 5, 3, 2. And then you take the ascending number, you get 2, 3, 5, 8. Now subtract it from here. 8, 5, 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 5, 8. 8, 4, 7, 1, 6. 6, 1, 7, 4. This is one result we have got. Now you will see I take any number and you continue to do the descending, ascending and their difference. It will ultimately somewhere result in 6, 1, 7, 4. It may go up to 3 steps or 4 steps or 5 steps, doesn't matter, but will ultimately result into 6, 1, 7, 4. Everything will be centered around this 6, 1, 7, 4, and that's a miracle, This was done by Kaprekar, discovered by Kaprekar. Mr. D.R. Kaprekar is an Indian mathematician, right? So let us take another example, small example. Say, take 7834. I'm writing it small so that it can come into this board. 7834. So first descending, I'm writing D for descending. The number is 8743. Then I do ascending and I get 3, 4, 7, 8. Reduce this. 5, 2, 6, 5. Well, now again repeat descending. Here is 6, 5, 5, 2. Ascending is 2, 5, 5, 6. And it comes to 3, 9, 9, 6. Again I repeat it. Descending 9, 9, 6, 3. Ascending 3, 6, 9, 9. And then you subtract. All in you are subtracting. It comes to 6, 2, 6, 4. Well, up to this step you understand descending from this number you take the descending number, ascending number, difference. Then this is again arranged in descending, then again ascending, subtraction, and then again descending and ascending, then again subtract. You get 6, 2, 6, 4. We'll take it at the top again, we'll start from there. 6, 2, 6, 4. 6, 2, 6, 4. Now here again descending, it's 6, 6, 4, 2. Ascending is 2, 4, 6, 6. And you subtract from each other. It's 4, 1, 7, 6. Now let us do the next time. Take a descending number out of this. 7, 6, 4, 1. And then you take an ascending number which becomes 1, 4, 6, 7. Now subtract this from this, you get, we again come back to that magic number of 6174, although it came after 5 steps. So if you can continue to do it, take any number, if you continue to do it, you will see that it will ultimately come to 6174. I hope you have understood. We have taken a number, then you have arranged it in descending number, then you have to arrange it ascending number, and then taking the difference of it. Whatever result comes, again on that we will start that descending, ascending, subtract. Descending, ascending, subtract. Descending, ascending, subtract. Ultimately it will come to 6174. You can try with yourself. Take any number and keep on doing the descending, ascending, and then take the subtraction. Ultimately it will come to 6174, and that's a tremendous math. This is 6174 is a spatial number. It's only a 4-digit number that becomes a fixed point when this process is repeated again and again. In mathematics, this is called Kaprekar routine, and 6174 is the attractor of this routine, where everything ultimately comes back to 6174. The discovery was made by Kaprekar. He was born in Dahanu in Maharashtra, and he is famous worldwide. And it's a brilliant example of how a simple number can hide the deep mysteries within. So if you can continue to do certain operations on different numbers, you get beautiful things, which are mysterious to human mind. So today we have seen two wonderful mathematical truths. The 1089 magical number, where numbers always lead to the same result, and the Kaprekar constant 6174, the number discovered by an Indian genius, D.R. Kaprekar. It reveals the truth that mathematics is not merely calculations. It has many surprises hidden within, still unknown to human beings, and you can explore that. If you have liked this session, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and share it with others. I will upload many more such amazing mathematical tricks and many magics in my forthcoming videos so that you can broaden your horizon of understanding about mathematics, and you find mathematics is a very interesting subject, and you can really work upon it, and you can do anything. Nobody knows what you can do, right? In our next session, we're going to see some special method of multiplication of numbers known as vertically and crosswise. So thank you for watching. Until the time we meet again, all the best. Please take care of yourself.